Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture, we will discuss about the isometric projection, how to draw the isometric view from the orthographic view. So here already I have created the page and I have taken one example of this orthographic view. So from here we need to identify how to draw the isometric view from this. So as per the procedure, let's go to the ISO draft, which is the part of isometric projection. So here I have selected and the ISO left was selected here, and I will go for this line selection. Now here if you see, the question is given, two things are there, one is front view, another one is top view. So from the front view and top view we need to identify what is the length, what is the width and what is the height. So length is already clearly it is given 120 and width is given 40 from the top view, and the height you can see from here to here 15, this is 20, 35, and from here to here it is 30. So that means total 65 height is there. So let's start it from here. Okay, let me take any one point on this reference line and I'll draw a front view. First we need to draw. So the front view can be drawn in this side, or you can draw this side also, right side also you can draw. So I'll draw in this left side. So this distance I'll take from here. I'll first try to draw this object from here to here, one line, and that is near about this is 30 and this is 15, 45. Okay, and so I'll take a line of 45 and then at a height of this is 35. Then again I'll come that side, I'll go that side, that is 30. Again I'll come here down, this is 35. Again I'll go this side 45. Then again with a height of 15. Then this side again it will come here 30, and again the height how much is there. Now see, this is I have taken from here to here 30, then here it is 20, and here it will there. If you see, this is total 30 radius means diameter 60. So I'll take 60. Then again I'll come back down down how much, 20. Then again this side it is 30, then again down 15. Okay, now if you see, I have completed this half of this part here directly. Okay, now the next part is we need to draw a this kind of one arc here. So for that I'll draw one box here with a height of this is 30 and this is 60. Again it will come back 30. Okay, now I'll draw the and otherwise you directly, we will do one thing, we'll just join the line here, this corner line, and from here to here we can draw one corner line. This is one method, or else we'll go to the midpoint of that. Okay, so let's draw from here to here. Okay, now what I'll do here, here I'll draw one circle in isometrically. For that what I'll do, I'll just type ellipse and I'll select this iso circle and I'll just join up to here. Okay, and this is one part. Okay, and similarly one more arc is there here, that is the radius of 15. So again we need to select the line and just from here to it is 15 height, again this side 30, again down 15 is there. Now similarly again we will select the ellipse and we will select this center point of this, sorry, after selection of this, select the iso circle and draw this point, just join up to here. Okay, now you can see we have completed two arcs, this arc and this arc. That arc will come from the iso circle only. So here what are the other things are there, we just can trim it. Okay, this bottom arcs are there, we just can trim this. This is not required, and this is also not required here. Okay, so now you can see this is the part of this. Now front view mostly we have drawn. Okay, now this what I'll do, I'll just copy this front view and I'll just extend with a width of 40. So what I'll do, just I've selected this, and I'll just copy this one, and I'll select this base point. Now see, it is not moving the width wise, so I need to click on F5 so that it will move in the width wise with the width of 40. Okay, now we have completed this. Now we just need to join from each of the corner point with a line. Okay, now just I'll select this one, this line, and I'll just copy this to from this base point to, I'll just keep on the base point like this. Okay, I just can join all this. So here it is not required. Yeah, so mostly I have joined everywhere. Now the thing is, inside part will be not visible to us, so here what we'll do, we'll just trim it. The inside part will trim it here, because we don't want that diagrams here which is not visible to outside, so I'll just trim it. So mostly front view completed. We'll just need to draw the top view, and yeah, these are things also not visible from the front view. Okay, and yeah, so mostly completed. Now the next thing is, we need to just draw a line which need to connect from this to this arc. Yeah, and this part also you can just trim it. Let me zoom it once, check it, anything is there, no. So here also we can just trim it, and this part also can be trimmed. Now if you see, most of the part we have completed here. Front view is completed. The same thing we can see from here, but in the top, in the front view, these two dotted line we have not drawn, and that will be visible from the top side. Okay, so in the top view, if you see, we can see two dotted lines, this dotted line, this dotted line. That means this small arc which is there, that will be not visible there, and that big side we can see only two lines we can see here. So that's why I have drawn here, no dotted line required for this. Similarly, two circles need to be kept on this in this plane, in this surface, this surface and this surface. Okay, now for this what we'll do, we'll just the circle will draw outside, and we'll just paste it here. So what the circle diameter is there, for diameter 50. So for that what I'll do, just I'll draw a 15 and 15, just 15. I'll draw one box, and I'll just join it. Okay, and similarly same thing, ellipse, enter, isocircle, select the center point, and just join up to here. Okay, now this need to be kept on this surface. Okay, so what I'll do here, I'll go for the line, and from this midpoint I'll just I'll draw a line with a distance of 15. Okay, similarly again just line, and from this midpoint to here you need to take 15. Okay, this two. Now this circle, what we need to do, this circle need to be, or we can just select everything here and just copy, and from this center point we can just move it to up to the center point, and here one more center point. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, next thing is one more thing what we'll do here, this inside part will be not visible, we know that. So and this line also will delete it, and the other part will trim it here. Inside this, what are the lines are there, curves are there, we just can delete everything. And this line, all things we can delete it. Okay, now similarly here also you can delete it, but before that what I'll do, I'll just copy this. I'll just copy it from here to F5. I'll go down how much? 15. Now if you see, this things will be not visible actually. This circle will be not visible. What I mean to say, if I draw the circle here, which is below to this one, there will be no such kind of arc will come here, because we are seeing in the side view. But if you draw all that up to the depth, because it is a hole is there, okay, the circle is a hole is there, and so that if I draw here also, it will be not able to see from this side, so there is no need to draw the circle here. Okay, so if you see, mostly the diagram is completed. Now just you see, this is the front view. If you see the object here from the front side, whether we can see this kind of diagram or not. Similarly, now see the diagram from the top view, whether we are able to see this kind of diagram. A rectangular box, a 40 and 120, and two circles are there in the top, in the surface. Two holes are there in the top surface. So this is all about the isometric view. Mostly we have completed everything, I think. So now we'll just do one thing, we'll just change its color and we'll just increase the thickness of this. Okay, now the next thing is we need to give the dimension. So select the align dimension and select one point, and like this you select all this. Okay, we just need to give all the dimensions properly, and this height you can keep it here, and from here to here already given. Now anything is there, height, this height, everything is given. Now we'll go for radius and diameter. Okay, now if you select here, it will be not visible actually. For that actually I deleted that box, so that need to kept actually, because here if I select this, it won't select because it is not a circle, it is a iso circle. Okay, so what we'll do here, we'll just go for the aligned, and from here to here I'll just give a distance. Okay, 20 is there. Now see the distance here, 20 is there, we will keep that one. Okay, and from here to this one we can keep it here. Okay, so these things dimensions what you are observing, and from here to, it's not like this. This distance we can measure up to here, so 30, so that means the radius of 30 is there. So what I'll do here, I'll just change this dimensions, in it need to be parallel to the diagram. So for that, one option is there, edit, and oblique select, and just select this. These are dimensions you can select, and just enter it and give some angle of 150. You can see you'll get like this kind of value. And similarly again just enter it and oblique and select this dimensions and just enter it and give some angle of 30 degree. So you'll get the value like this. Okay, and similarly again if you give and select this, enter it 150, you'll get like this. Again enter, oblique, and select this. Now you give here. Okay, so you can just a little bit drag to that side. Okay, any other thing is there means missing means we can give it. Similarly there also you can mark it. Okay, or else after giving dimension we can edit this one. Okay, two holes are there, like that we can write 2 holes. Okay, 15 diameter, so like that also we can mark it. Okay, and any other dimensions are there, 30, 45. Okay, this is somehow we'll do one thing, we'll take it a little bit inside. That means from here to here it is 30. And similarly one more. Okay, once we'll try this radius. No, it won't take the radius also, because it is a not a circle or a arc, because it is an isocircle. So here it is not possible to give the dimension. So what I'll do, we'll just go for again that aligned one, and we'll just select from here to here how much 15 is there. So we'll just mark it 15, and again just demade it. We'll type it, go for oblique, and select this, enter it 30. Now we'll see this parallel to this one, and just keep it here like that. We can keep it. Okay. So if any other dimensions are required, you can mark it like this. But the main thing is how to draw the isometric view from the orthographic one. That is main important thing is there. So that need to be given in properly. Even we can mark in while need to draw in the orthography, we can just mark into like radius 15 and radius 30. We can mark very well. And here also we can mark it actually. There is no issue on that, but dimension wise we can give it. Okay. So mostly the dimension you can see, this is the answer of this. Okay. So I hope you understood how to draw the isometric view from the orthographic view. If anybody even having problem, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.